Okay, so for this question, I asked how often would you expect a magazine to publish an issue? It was quite interesting, if I'm honest. As you can clearly see here, the majority of people would expect once a month. This could be due to the fact that people are regular buyers for a certain magazine, so know how often their magazine comes out, or they may just be thinking logically how long it must take for each issue to be made, published, decided, photographs to be taken, and all of the extra work which goes into it. What I did find interesting was the two sections either side of this once a month. So the ones which were like a few times a week, once a week, or even a few times a month, I think that this is quite unrealistic, and clearly they don't understand how much effort has to go into creating all of these magazine issues and how much time it actually takes to make sure that it's perfect. So I'm not so keen on these. It's a nice idea, but you'd be working your people to death if you wanted to get an issue out every week and still have the same good quality. On the other spectrum, you have the people who are a year to less than once a month. These people, I think they don't understand that you need to have an ongoing income. So then you can pay all your staff, pay all of the fees for the equipment and studios and all of this. There's a middle ground, and I think that once a month is clearly and most obvious answer here. 44 people said that once a month, which means that in total 50 other people disagreed with that, which is technically the majority, but they were spread out over too many, which means that the most popular one was once a month. Yeah. But what I thought was quite interesting was that no one expected it to be every day, which is a good thing because that'd be unrealistic and just obscene how many episodes there were.